Hello, my name is Glenn Nausley. I'm the president of Promess Incorporated. I've been with Promess 36 years and have been the president for the last 11. Promess has always operated in the future. We were founded as a sensing company with the mission of giving machines feeling. In the old days, when people were assembling things, a lot of it was done manually. You'd have a craftsman who was putting things together. If a guy is putting a bearing into a hub, like back in the old Model T days, way back then, you'd have an arbor press and you'd be pressing the bearing into a hub. As that bearing is pressing in, if the bearing's going in cocked or the housing is oversized or undersized, the craftsman could feel that. His sensor was his shoulder. But when automation started, you have a person, an operator, who is putting the parts in a station and hitting the buttons and saying go. That's where Promess came in. We gave machines feeling. We would add sensors to a machine and we could tell the operator if the part was a bad part. As Promess grew and as the technology advanced, we found we could use this information to make a better part every time. We believe Promess has changed the way assembly is done. I'm excited to say that because of our growth, we've just moved into a new 45,000 square foot manufacturing facility. This was really required. Our previous manufacturing facility, we were overflowing. But we believe this new facility is going to serve us quite well with our new products, our smart devices, our integrated solutions. It gives us the capacity that we will need for the next 3 to 5 years of growth. We're developing robot presses, smart devices. We have a new product called a Flex IQ, which is a DC powered lower force capability servo press with sensing built into it. That this device, the goal of it is to go from box to production in less than 1 hour. And that's pretty unique in our industry. Our customer is the guy with a wrench in one hand and a keyboard in the other. It's not a PhD with a white lab coat. The guys who are using our equipment, they're experts in their field. They're experts with their product, but they're not experts in servo presses. So our job is to make the servo press technology and the sensing technology simple enough where they don't have to become experts in that. We're the experts in that. Promess's future is really rooted in its past. We don't plan on changing who we are. We're experts in press fit, crimping, staking, utilizing sensor and servo technology in order to help our customers make a perfect part every time.